Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can increase the FPS of our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices for gaming, and also we will be able to know how we can optimize our device for gaming. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. And the very first thing we need to do is to go to our registry editor, and we can do that by simply pressing Windows R key altogether, or just by making a right click here in our Windows icon, and then it's right click here in our Windows icon and then go to run options. So once this run window is up on our screen, all we need to do is just type regedit. And then once you're done typing, please click on OK or enter. And then this user account control window will be coming up on our screen. Here we will be asked if you want to allow this app to make changes to our device. So please click on yes. And the moment you do that, you will see the registry editor window coming up on your screen. So let me just minimize this things here. Okay, so in here, once you're in the registry editor window, all you need to do is just back up first the files, the registries that we have. So we can do that by simply pressing the file here, file option, and then click on export option. And then once you do that, you will see here the another window, the export registry file. So please click on the file name and then type the name that you want to be backed up with. For example, this one, and then you can now click on save. And you can also import the file that you have just backed up by clicking this import button here. This one. Okay, so once you're done, let's now move on with the process. So in here, all we need to do is just to go to the H key current user. So please click on that and then click on this arrow here, and then you will see the system option. So this one, please select it and then click this arrow. And then let's go to the game config store, and in here we need to go to the game DVR enable, this one, game DVR enabled. And then once you're in this option, please make a right click on it and then click on modify, and you will see another small window coming up on your screen. So here you will see the value data. So the value data for this option should be set to 0, and then once it's now set into 0, you can now click on OK. And after doing that, let's proceed with the next one. So let's go to the H key local machine. Let me just minimize this. So let's go to the H key local machine. Again, let's press the arrow or hit the arrow. Let me just minimize everything. Okay, so once we're in the H key local machine, let's go now to the software. And let's look for Microsoft option here. This one. So in the Microsoft option, we need to expand this one to see the policy manager. Let's go to the P section. Okay, so this one. As you can see, this is now the policy manager. So once you're in here, you will see in the right hand, you will see the default option. So please click on that, and then oh no, I'm sorry, let us maximize this one, and then you will see a default option. And once you see this one, please click again this arrow, and then let's go to the application management. Let's go to AP section, this one. And once you're in the application management, let's click again this arrow and then allow game DVR, this one. And once you're in the allow game DVR option, all you need to do is to go to the last option here in the right hand, and you will see the value. So please make a right click on it and then click on modify, and here another small window will be coming up on our screen. So all we need to do is just type in the value data 0, and then once you're done, please click on OK. And then exit this windows here, and then just make a quick restart with your device and see if there's an increase in the FPS for gaming in your device. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.